ting. Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Yeah, man.
Now guys, we're going to start off with something hot, the She's Hot contest. And our winner for this week is a 10 out of 10 with witchcraft.
That's right.
Miss Lisa Bonet. Actually, you know what, Dr. Ross? Today we have it a 2-for-2 winner. Our first winner is Miss Lisa Bonet, as I said before.
Congratulations, Miss Bonet.
And our second winner is Miss Julia Fox.
Wow, congratulations, Miss Julia Fox.
Foxy Brown. But, going back to Lisa Bonet, Miss Lisa Bonet, Miss Lisa Bonet is also known as Lilicorn Moon. But she's an American actress known for playing Denise Huxtable on the sitcom The Cosby Show and its spin-off series A Different World,
Wow.
which earned her a nomination for a Primetime Emmy.
Wow. Wow.
And you may know her also as being the wife of Jason Momoa.
For 16 years.
That's right, they were in a relationship for 16 years. And Miss Julia Fox is another one. She's scandalous.
Scandalous and ruthless. Always looking for another figure.
That's right, and you may know her from being with Kanye West.
That's right. And I heard IK, that she says to the interviewers that the reason that she's dating Kanye is for L.O.V.E.
Really?
Remember
Really?
what Spedman said? And they ran him off the news. Messed around with Oprah, and he said L.O.V.E. is the master.
You know, Dr. Ross, a quick insight from IK. Look at the old husband. Now look at Kanye West. Both buffoons. But she's with Kanye West because he has the money that folds. Paper.
That's right. She's trying to feed that child at home that she kept quiet for a little bit. I think she kept that away from Kanye so that Kanye would jump into the relationship, and now she's bringing it up now that she's got him in clutch. But we hope all is well. We see Kanye is going back to the mask and putting her in the raccoon makeup, so maybe she's going to stay around for a while just to get some cheddar, get some money in, and make her name a little bit more prevalent before she leaves too fast.
Exactly, but Kanye, don't F it up. Because you're already making a bad statement for yourself. Wearing a mask, going around putting the raccoon makeup on. Julia Fox is not going to be on with this for all of these years.
That's right.
Step your game up, Kanye.
And stop wearing those rain boots. On to our next hot topic. Lamar Odom launches talent management company gunning to be like Clutch. What are your thoughts, IK?
Put us in the talent agency. Let's get into our next hot topic.
That's right, on to our next one. Unseen video of Floyd Mayweather's $1 billion New Year's Eve party surfaces on the internet. Now, I'm not going to be hating, but New Year's has already passed and Floyd is still trying to be relevant. Go home, Floyd. Go home.
You're late. Retire already, Floyd. But let's get into our next hot topic. And actually, before we go into our next hot topic, I want to touch a little bit more on that topic with Lamar Odom.
Go on.
Lamar, we see you doing your thing, but we're going to have to keep an eye on you, Blackie. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Okay.
So Kim K, it seems like someone online has done a little bit of their research, what Kanye should have been doing, and they did their research and made a mini docu-series of the famous Kim K and who she is. So, what are your thoughts on that, IK?
You know, Dr. Ross, I watched it. It was really, really informative, and Kanye, you should have seen this documentary because it would have given you more insight on Kim.
That's right. Kanye is always singing in his songs that they ain't nothing but a gold digger, but it seems that's his type because he loves when they're money hungry, scandalous, and ruthless, and always looking for another figure.
The only one who wasn't was Irina Shayk.
And that's
even
because Irina Shayk already had another figure with some money, so she didn't have to go begging for money like Julia Fox.
You know, you're right about that one, Dr. Ross. But we get into our next hot topic.
Let's get into our next hot topic. So it says, Meredith Marks says she should quit Real Housewives of SLC during Twitter Q&A. What are your thoughts, IK?
Boring. Thumbs
Exactly.
down. We're going to get to our final hot topic for today with the Super Bowl.
That's
So,
right.
as you know, the Super Bowl is going to have performers including Eminem, Dr. Dre, and many other famous rappers.
Snoop Dogg, basically everyone underneath Dr. Dre's label. He's just bringing them all out there to perform. But
That's
I
right,
will
Dr.
say, Snoop Dogg, he's starting to bring out all the scandalous bitches out of the woodworks because, you know, it just popped up too. Heidi Klum says that Snoop Dogg is making her dreams come true by putting her on a song with him. Heidi Klum wants a figure, let's be honest.
Exactly, Dr. Ross. Because, you know, if Heidi Klum wanted to make some music, she could have made it herself.
She could have made it a long time ago.
You know, that brings up the question, Dr. Ross. Miss Klum, we'd love to make music with you. We'll keep in contact. That's for you.
Let's close it off, IK.
These were all of our hot topics for today, but we want to say congratulations to Miss Julia Fox.
The Fox.
And Miss Lisa Bonet.
Cooking up the gumbo.
That's right. As you know, Julia Fox is a little bit foxy with cooking it in the pot. Jason Momoa, you better watch your back.
That's right.
There's going to be a pinwheel in your back.
Because Miss Lisa Bonet does not play around with the witchcraft. We all know she's part of these streets of the voodoo and the Rasta heritage. But we're not hating on it. Watch your back, Jason Momoa.
Don't go to sleep, my brother. These were all of our hot topics. We'll see you guys on the next episode.
Kanye!
Say up, Kanye.